This exercise is related to menus and buttons. As per exercise, we will be creating a new menu in the menu profile fashion 2, and then we will be using this menu at fashion pause. So let's open menu profile list and search for fashion 2. So this is the menu profile fashion 2, and here you can see the start menus start, and 3 additional menus are being used. Just keep in mind, the menu 1 is having item groups, menu 2 women, and additional menu 3 is pause functions. And in this exercise we will be making use of these 3 additional menus. And when we change the menu command, at that time you'll be seeing that our new menu is appearing and replacing these 3 additional menus. And let's go to list and create our new menu. And in this case I'm going to create a new menu ID, new, same description, new, and then 2 columns and 5 rows. So this is as per the exercise given to us. In the step 1 we are creating a new menu, and it's having 2 columns and 5 rows, so that we can have 10 buttons here. So we are not given any button to create in the menu lines, so we will leave it blank. So we just created a new menu, and then as per the second step I'm going to run the pause and open fashion pause, log on fashion pause, and here on this pause we need to link this newly created menu here just below the woman. And for that I'm doing right click here, going to menu properties, and here you can see that menu profile is fashion 2, and this particular menu is item groups, and then item groups is having these menu lines. Now to create a new, I need to extend this menu. Right now it's having a 7 rows, I'll make it 8, and then I'll create 8th button, 8, and then I'll call this as a new menu, and in the command I'm going to select menu, this one, and then the parameter I'll be passing the menu, new menu which we have created. So once this is created, to place just below the woman button, I'll be making use of up action, so that I can place in the second line. Now it's placed, closing it. So from here you can see that now my newly created menu is appearing. So once I click on this menu, you can see it has replaced the start menu. As per the exercise, let us check and change the command for our button. And now this time I'll go to button properties, and instead of menu, let's change to menu 1. So if I change menu 1, and from here you can see that it will be now selecting the area used for additional menu 1. So parameter is new. Okay, so once this is done, let me refresh it by clicking on children items are appearing here. Now if I go back and click on new menu, this time it has changed this particular menu. the additional one menu, and from here you can see that our menu is appearing which doesn't have any item. So let me cancel it, and then right click again, and then go to button properties, and this time I'll be changing to menu 2, and this will be selecting the additional menu 2, and parameter is our new menu. Okay, so let me click and refresh. Now it's a children, and once I click on new menu, now you can see our menu is appearing in this area, and this area is meant for additional menu 2. One more time and last time, let us go to menu properties, and so you can change this button whether you're placing your cursor here and then going to button properties, or anywhere in this menu and going to menu properties. From here also you can change. So for this new menu button, I'm going to change the command to menu 3 and then passing the parameter as new. And one more time, let me refresh and then click here, and now this time you can see that the additional menu 3 area is being replaced with our menu, and our menu doesn't have any item. So in this way you can see the use case with respect to command menu, menu 1, menu 2 and menu 3. We have checked all 4 commands, and we checked by placing by replacing our menu, the new, by editing a new menu. Now let me revert back to original position of these buttons. For that I'm going to menu properties, and here I'll be making it down, down, down up to the last line, and then I'll be deleting this line. Once this has been deleted, I can reset rows to 7 and then close this menu properties. So once I click here, now you can see that it's back to original. As per third step, we need to log off and then open Leo POS, and for that I'm clicking here, opening up Leo POS. Once Leo POS is open, let's click on start, and then you can see this button which is mentioned in our exercise step number 3, and here we will be editing the button properties, and here we will be placing this new menu with the help of command menu, and this can be taken from here, and parameter we will be passing as a new. Once done, and then if you click on this button, you can see that POS menu not found. Profile ID is Leo, menu ID new. Why this is happening? Because in this case, on this Leo POS, the menu profile ID is Leo #Leo, which doesn't find the menu ID new, because our menu new is linked with the profile fashion2. That's why even if we use our newly created menu here by creating a new button, it will not be working. It will work for only those POS terminals or for stores where fashion2 menu is linked.